Today we will discuss PYQ questions of math class 10th and how we approach the questions to solve. The first question is given that if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. It is given, this equation is given, already given, and you have to find the value of k. Okay, and the alpha and beta are the zeros of this equation. So we know that alpha plus beta means sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, and we also know alpha plus beta means the product of the root is c by a, and alpha plus b by a, the b is 6, so minus 6 by 3 which is equal to minus 2, and c by a which is equal to k by 3. We find this because this is sum of the root and this is product of the root. So we will put this value to the equation and find the value of k, and the given alpha plus beta is minus 2 plus alpha beta which is equal to k by 3 which is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, so we will solve like this. Minus 6 plus k after taking the LCM is equal to minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel out, so the k value is equal to 4. Okay, now moving to the next question. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of the pair of the linear equation given x and y, the solution of given x and y, solution of this equation 2x minus 3y plus a and 2x plus 3y minus b is equal to 0. So we can do that if both the equation have the solution x and y which is equal to 1 and 2, so we can apply put x value 1 and y value 2. So what we get, see that in first equation, let this is first and this is second. Okay, in first equation we will put x and y value. So x is 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 plus a is equal to 0. Yes, so 2 minus 6 plus a which is equal to 0, so we can get a is equal to 4. Now from the second equation, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 minus b is equal to 0, so we get b is equal to 8. 3 to the 6 and 2 ones are 2, so it's 8. Okay, so what we get, we have to check each of the options to find the same relations. Okay, so let a is equal to 2b, and a is equal to 2b, so a is equal to 4 or 2b 8 16. No, it's not possible. 2a plus b, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Yes, b which is equal to 8. So second option is correct. We have not checked, we already cancelled that these two options because the summation of two positive value can't be 0. Okay, so we can clearly cancel these options. Next, moving to the third question. The midpoint of the line segment joining the point P and Q lies on given 2 points P and Q, which is 4 5 minus 4 5 and 4 6. So the midpoint, we have to find that midpoint lies on which axis, generally asking in this question. So we know the midpoint formula, which is mx is equal to that x1 plus x2 by 2, this is for x, and y for y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, So we will put value -4 plus 4 is equal to 0, and 5 plus 6 11, 11 by 2, that is 5.5. Okay, and the value of midpoint is 0 comma 5.5. We will denote this. Let this is x-axis and this is y-axis. 0, x is 0 and y is 5.5. Yes, so the in which axis this is lying? Obviously we can see that in this y-axis. Okay, now moving to the fourth question. If theta is an acute angle and 7 plus 4 sine theta is equal to 9, then value of theta. So this is general equation of anything. You have to find, let 7 plus 4 sine theta is equal to 9 given. Okay, then you have to find sine theta, theta value. So you have to take on left hand side theta value. So 2 and sine theta is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to half, and we know that sine theta value is half when theta is equal to 30 degree. Yes, now moving to the today's last question. The value of tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into sec theta. So let solve this. Tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta into sec theta, which is equal to tan square theta minus sec square theta. Now from this question you are seeing some formula that you have learned, that 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to sec square theta. Yes, so we have to uh, you have to take the precautions that you generally give the directly answer that tan square theta is minus sec square theta equal to 1, which will be wrong. You should check from this take you have to think and the formula and derive from that tan square theta is minus sec square theta, which is equal to -1, that you have taken one this from this side. Okay, so the answer will be C.